All right, now this is the question about, for the magazine question, about how to use the two whorls or one in order to strung it differently to play with the tension of the string. I will use in this case this Nile God first string high tension of Alchemia Aquila, Italian handmade, resembling the Nile God. I explained about this on the video 1 about the strings, and this you can check that back. Okay, anyway, the thing is that now we will show, harnessing the fact that this one is white, how we can do, for those who have only one whorl here, if you have 12 whorls on the bridge, no problem. You can also set it as a traditional bridge. This is the thing. Look, when I do this, and you will see it very clearly, if I do this kind of putting the string on, let me see if we can do maybe less turns here, so that you can appreciate it more, the stuff, maybe 2 only, as it was traditionally, this thing, long time ago. So this one, exactly, this kind of thing, let me see, look, have to be careful that it will not become slippery, this thing, but this is the thing with the 12 whorl bridge. As you see, if I put this string on, the angle that I have, let me see, the angle that I have on the second string is utterly deep, this angle, while the angle I will have here, right, let me just put this like this, the angle that I have here, you see, is not so deep because of the knot. This is one consequence of the way in which you strung the string, right? Look, like this. So therefore, if I tighten this up, let's do it just a little bit to simplify better this stuff. Suppose I do like this. Alright, so here we have the string tuned in E as it is, and here you can appreciate what happens with the angle. Look the angle of the second and the third, or this basis angle, how it breaks, and this one has much less angle. Look, here you can see it very clearly. You see the angle of the third and second, and the angle of the first is less. Therefore, here of course this cuts the vibration a little bit, but this is another argument. That's what I prefer the 12 whorl bridge as well, because here you can do both. You can do traditional style like this one, or you can use the 12 whorls, right? This is what I mean for those who don't know this. Right, here there is one whorl empty, this one. And therefore, here you can see exactly what I mean with the angle of the string. Look, it's very clear that this one has less angle than this or this. And this thing we will sometimes, when we use middle string, some of the middle string tensions, we want to lessen it up if it is not a low tension first, and we want to have less tension on the string. Here, that's how we can make mid tension become low tension, or a high tension become mid-high tension or mid tension, depending on the brand, because of this fact that the angle here, this will indicate the tension in the field of the note as you play it, because of this angle here, this thing. So look, it's totally different angle with the traditional strong done with the 12-volt thing, and this is what we could do with this string here that says forte tirante de Savares Cristal. If you try to get different nuance and you want to try for a recording or something, and you use this string, although it says high tension, as I mentioned before, this corresponds to middle tension, but it's the first, therefore will be mid-high tension, in between high and middle of the Dario setting, if we take that as a reference point, the American measure. And this, we will do this same thing with this one, and then you may try to search for an equilibrium between first and second this way by harnessing your 12-volt bridge. This you can do only if you have 12-volt bridge. Later on we will show other ways as well, but this is one thing that is very interesting about the angle and the way you strung the string. So I hope this answered your question, and thank you for participating in the magazine.